Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So you could see that yesterday performance actually take off the table all questions concerning the direction. If in a weekend we talked about some at least nominal bullish grabbers on the follow time frame chart and still some uncertainty have existed, currently you could see that with this downside action and almost take closing on Monday, so actually we've got the answer that context remains bearish. Besides, if you carefully take a look at the performance, especially on intraday charts, you could see that this leg is faster than this one. Some acceleration exists here, which is actually good for a bearish context. In general, the major points of the plan remains the same. So we have invalidation point right here. This is actually bearish engulfing on the weekly chart, and that led us to suggest that it might be some kind of the ABCD shape here on the daily chart. Supposedly first target might be around 109.90, which is actually almost 50% support in the whole upper direction. 50% is favorite level for the euro currency, but depending on what we will see on the CPI report, on some other important data through the week, I not exclude that might be even deeper retracement. Maybe kind of the XOP will be reached and market could retest this area and hit the daily oversold. If this will happen, that might be very interesting, just because this combination of the strong support area, fib level, and daily oversold, also I suppose that here will be just not a single level. If you will plot here in other levels from these lows, might be the confluence. So around 109, 109.40, it might be interesting area to consider taking a long position. We will see. But for now, we're just going with this trading step. On all other markets, I have checked the euro currency futures, dollar index. I see nothing really special. So by far, mostly action is identical on the dollar index and the euro currency. No additional patterns have been formed. So that's why currently we're just could keep an eye on the performance on the euro currency. On the follow time frame chart, this was the grabber, if you remember, and as I said, all questions have been taken out. Doesn't exist, market has dropped right back down. So according to our trading plan, now we need to keep an eye on hourly chart and watch for the possible retracement levels where we could theoretically consider taking a short position. So potentially you could see here might be formed bullish hand shoulders patterns or reverse hand shoulders. This might be shoulder, hand, and another shoulder. So if it will happen, then we should get some kind of the ABCD retracement. And personally, I like this level around 110.70. This is confluence resistance, and take a look in previous support area. It's been broken. Now it will be resistance. So 110.66, 110.76. That's the level that we intend to keep an eye on. Also, guys, I would like to show you very cool thing. Maybe you could use it later in your following trades, but this is very important thing. So take a look how the week has been opened. So what has happened at the opening of the week? It's very important. This looks really cool. So here, once trade has been opened, we have flat tops, kind of the tweezer tops, but not just two, but it's four equal top stands right here. And this was 30% resistance of the whole downward direction. This was great point to consider taking the short position. So when you see the flat top somewhere, it means that the pressure from the upside to the downside, so on the bearish side, is very significant. So it doesn't let market even to move through some specific level. Or here that might be some big order for selling. So market shows equals top for the 4 hours in a row, and that you can see what has happened later. market collapsed. The same thing might be formed on the bottom. It also sometimes happens, but more often you could see it on the top. And when you will see it, this is a very important thing. Even tweezer, when you have two candles with the equal tops, it's already treated as a signal. But when you have the 4 or even more candles with the equal top, that's definitely have to be considered as a good indicator of the bearish pressure. So that in towards what we have on the euro. Let's keep watching. And most interesting will be when we will appear around this level and see what will happen there.